Guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are good. So today in this video we are going to see how to shave our face. But before starting the video, I want to clear the doubts that some of the girls are having regarding shaving. That is, it will lead to a manly beard growth or hard facial hairs. No, the answer is no. There is nothing like that gonna happen because I personally shaving my face from last 2 years and I never experienced any kind of hard facial growth growing over my face. So moreover, I want to tell you that guys, I personally test each and every product and equipment over my face before recommending you, so you can totally trust on me over it. I always recommend you the products that will be positive for your face. I'll not recommend any product that will be harmful for your face, your skin, or your body. You can totally trust on me over this. And the girls who are having any kind of hormonal imbalance regarding their facial hairs, you girls should personally try each and every product, test each and every product before applying it fully on your face or on your body. For example, in the case of shaving, you girls should first test a patch of shave on your face. For example, just shave a patch over your face over here, just a little patch, and if you feel any kind of itching or red pigmentation, then you should say no to blades and shave on your facial hairs. Okay, and if you feel comfortable and the results are positive, then you can totally go for it. And let me tell you one more thing, that getting rid of your facial hairs will lead to 10 times better application of your makeup, because your skin will get even and flawless. It will be a very clear skin to apply makeup. It will result a very good makeup on your face if you'll get rid of your facial hairs. So yes girls, you can go for it. Shaving your facial hairs is not gonna make your face look weird and is not gonna let you a very heavy or any kind of manly beard. You can go for it girls. So guys, stay tuned with me. I'll take you to the video of how to shave our face. So girls, here I am. I just cleansed my face with cleanser, scrubber and toner. My face is all cleansed and there is no moisturizer or lotion over it. It's all dry. And this is the blade I'm gonna use today to shave my face off. I bought this blade from Miniso. It is a very cute blue little shaver. So, first of all, just keep your sideburns aside so that you'll not take off your sideburns while shaving because girls, it will look very weird when your sideburns will be taken off. Your face will not look that much attractive. So, yeah, go with the flow and run your hands slow and steadily in a downward direction. Run your blade very light handedly. Take care that you'll not cut your face off, you'll not hurt yourself. And stretch the skin whenever you feel like, because if you'll not stretch, then there are many chances to cut your face. Adjust the angle of your hand as you like it. Your hands should be comfortable while shaving. Adjust your hands according to you. Stretch, 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 shave, shave, shave. And girls, please be careful that you'll not put the blade directly on your face and not press it off. Just take it in a slanting position and run it downwards. Run it downwards and stretch your three important points. Run it downwards in a slanting position, stretch your skin, and go with the light hand. Okay, and girls, I prefer you to shave your face or use blade when your skin is dry. Don't shave your face while you have moisturizer applied on it, because I think that it will take away off your moisturizer and it will be easy to shave your face while it is dry. And now you can feel the face. This side is so smooth and this side is not that much smooth. So moving on to the other side of the face, you just have to repeat that process. We are going to do the same as we did earlier on the left hand side of the face. Now we're going to do the same on the right hand side of the face. Girls, please be sure that you have tested earlier before shaving your face. You may not got injured to yourself. Testing is mandatory so that you'll not each yourself, because I think shaving not suits everyone. Now the face is all clean. Now coming to the hairline, I know that there are so many girls who are very hairy from the hairline. So for them, like, just put your baby hairs aside and start shaving. Same method in a downward direction, slowly and steadily. Don't shave that much near your hairline, because there are so many chances that you'll swap your eyebrows. Okay, and if you swap it, it's very horrible, you guys, it's very horrible. And so many girls have hair on this side, so basically it is very like risky part to shave your hairs near eyebrows, because there are so many chances to swap it off unintentionally. Not intentionally, unintentionally, girls sometimes swap their eyebrows, because it's very horrible experience. I experienced it personally. Now the face is all clean. Yeah, my god, I'm loving it. It's so smooth. Now I'm ready for my makeup. Girls, you should try it. You'll feel so good and you'll love it. I love it. Guys, this is it. This is for the video. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope this video is helpful to you. And if it do, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned with me to see further videos and to get further updates. Bye.